प्रतिष्ठित वानखेड़े स्टेडियम में आज एक खास समारोह आयोजित किया गया, जिसमें भारतीय क्रिकेट टीम के कप्तान रोहित शर्मा, मुंबई क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन के पूर्व अध्यक्ष शरद पवार और पूर्व क्रिकेटर अजित वाडेकर के नाम पर स्टैंड्स का उद्घाटन किया गया। इस विशेष कार्यक्रम में भारतीय टीम के कप्तान रोहित शर्मा स्वयं मौजूद रहे और अपने नाम पर बने स्टैंड्स का उद्घाटन देखा, जो उनके क्रिकेट में दिए गए अद्वितीय योगदान का सम्मान है। कार्यक्रम में राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री देवेंद्र फडणवीस, शरद पवार भी मौजूद रहे। पूर्व क्रिकेटर अजित वाडेकर के नाम पर भी स्टैंड का नामकरण किया गया, जिन्हें भारतीय क्रिकेट में उनकी ऐतिहासिक भूमिका के लिए हमेशा याद किया जाता रहेगा। क्रिकेट जगत के लिए यह एक बेहद सम्मानजनक और ऐतिहासिक क्षण होगा।
Good afternoon, everyone. Firstly, I would like to thank everyone who's come here to make this event so special for all of us. What is going to happen today, I have never dreamt of. As a kid growing up, wanting to play cricket for Mumbai, wanting to play cricket for India, no one thinks of these kind of things. For me, it's like any other sportsman who wanted to try and give the best and use the best of his talent and ability and to serve the nation, serve the country as much as possible. While doing that, obviously, you try and achieve a lot of things. You achieve a lot of things. A lot of milestones are created. But something like this, it is really, really special. Only because Wankhede is such an iconic stadium and so many memories have been created here. And for me to have my name amongst, the greats of the game and world's best political leader, I cannot express what the feeling is. So for that, I am really, really grateful and honored and very, very thankful as well to all the MCA members, Ajinkya Nayak, Sanjay Nayak, Arman Bhai, and of course, not to forget the Apex Council members. For me to honor while I am playing, it makes it very, very special because I'm still playing. I've retired from 2 formats, but I'm still playing one format. So it'll be a surreal feeling on 21st when I come here and play against Delhi Capitals representing Mumbai Indians, and to have a stand, it will be a very, very special feeling. And it'll even get special while representing the country. Whenever that happens, India plays whichever team here, that is going to make even more special. So, and to have this big honor in front of, so many people, especially my family, my mom and dad, my brother, his wife, and my wife, who's present here as well. Very, very special people in my life. And I'm so grateful and thankful to whatever they have sacrificed for me to stand here and talk about, this special day. And of course, not to forget, my very, very special team, Mumbai Indians, is also here. Who I'm pretty sure are waiting for my speech to get over so that they can start training. But thank you guys for coming there and supporting. I would like to thank the media and all the members, and special thank to Shri Sharad Pawar Sahib and Fadnavis sir to be here and make it very, very special. This is a very, very special day in my life, which I will never forget. So thank you again. Thank you to all the MCA members, for honoring this to me and my family. It's a very, very special day. Thank you again, guys.